just breathe and you come to your papers and pens. When until you like me again, wait for your love.